In today's video, I'll show you how to generate a QR code for a video and share it on WhatsApp. First, open Google Drive and click on the New option. Then select Upload File and choose the video you want to upload. Wait a few minutes until the upload is complete. Once uploaded, right-click on the video and choose Share. In the pop-up window, click Restricted and change it to anyone with the link. Then click Copy Link. This will copy your video link. Now, open your browser and go to any QR code generator website. Paste the copied link into the box and click Generate QR Code. Once the QR code appears, right-click on it and select Save Image as to download your QR code image. Next, open WhatsApp and choose any person you want to share the QR code. Tap on the attachment icon, select Gallery, and send the QR image. When the person receives it, they can scan the QR code using their mobile camera or a QR scanner app, and the video will start playing instantly. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.